His Excellency, the Ambassador, People's Republic of China, distinguished political leaders, dignitaries, diplomats, and media persons, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor to join you as we commemorate 105th anniversary of founding of Communist Party of China, CPC. I extend my heartfelt aspiration to the friends of Silk Road Club Nepal, Embassy of People's Republic of China, and China-Nepal Center for Political Parties, Governance Studies for organizing this wonderful and important events today. On the behalf of Janmat Party, I extend warm congratulations to the people of China on this significant milestone, and also convey our best wishes for China continued peace, stability, and prosperity. Distinguished guests, history demonstrates that every nation follows its own unique path of development, shaped by its culture, geography, institution, and the aspiration of its people. While development models can not be replicated from the one country to another country, successful experiences can inspire thoughtful reflection and constructive learning. China's transformation over the past century has been one of the most remarkable development stories of our time. Its achievements in poverty reduction, infrastructure development, industrial modernization, scientific innovations, and institutional capacity have attracted global attention and have contributed significantly to the global economic growth. These achievements offer valuable opportunities for dialogue and the exchange of ideas among countries seeking sustainable and inclusive development. For Nepal, the central lesson is not to imitate any particular model, but to strengthen our own capacity to formulate and implement long-term national policies with consistency, efficiency, and accountability. Good governance is ultimately measured by how effectively the state improves the lives of citizens through quality education, accessible health care, productive employment, social justice, and equal opportunity to all. Janmat Party firmly believes that development must be inclusive, participatory, and people-centered. Nepal's diversity is our strength, and our federal democratic system provides an important framework for ensuring that development reaches every province, every community, and every citizen. Sustainable prosperity can only be achieved when government is transparent, institutions are accountable, and citizens actively participate in the democratic processes. Today, rapidly changing world presents both opportunities and challenges. Digital transformation, artificial intelligence, climate change, food security, energy transition, and global economic uncertainty require governments to become more innovative, responsive, and collaborative. In this context, international dialogue and the exchange of government experience have become increasingly valuable. Excellencies, Nepal and China share a time-tested friendship founded upon the principle of mutual respect, sovereign equality, peaceful coexistence, and non-interference in each other's internal affairs. As close neighbors, connected by the Himalayas and centuries of cultural exchanges, our relationship has continued to deepen across political, economic, educational, and people-to-people dimensions. Janmat Party highly values Nepal's friendly relations with China. We believe there remains considerable scope to further strengthen bilateral cooperation in the areas such as infrastructure, connectivity, cross-border trade and investment, agricultural modernization, tourism, renewable energy, digital innovations, disaster risk reduction, higher education, vocational skills, healthcare, and cultural exchange. Such cooperation should continue to be guided by the principles of mutual benefit, transparency, sustainability, and respect for Nepal's national priorities and independent foreign policy. Nepal welcomes partnerships that contribute to our national development goals while reinforcing regional peace, connectivity, and shared prosperity. As Nepal advances toward the vision of a prosperous nation, our greatest responsibility remains extending our own governance institutions, improving public service delivery, investing in human capital, empowering local governments, and creating meaningful opportunities for our young generation. International cooperation is most effective when it complements domestic reforms and respects national ownership. Ladies and gentlemen, political parties have a special responsibility in shaping the future of our societies. Beyond electoral competition, they are institutions that help build consensus, strengthen democratic culture, formulate the policy, and promote social harmony. Forums such as today's encourage mutual understanding, comparative learning, and constructive engagement among the political actors from different countries. As we commemorate this important anniversary, let us reaffirm our shared commitment to peace, development, dialogue, and mutual beneficial cooperation. May the friendship between Nepal and China continue to flourish for the benefit of our peoples and contribute to regional stability and prosperity. Once again, I thank the organizers for bringing together such distinguished participants to reflect upon governance, development, and international cooperation. I wish this program every success. Thank you very much.